Open Awareness Meditation. I invite you to find a location where you can experience some sounds and sights, but also feel comfortable staying there for a while. Practicing this type of meditation in nature can be a wonderful experience, so take this time to spend outside if possible. However, it can be just as valuable to practice while taking a train or a bus or walking down a busy street downtown. For this meditation, you can decide to sit down or lie down. It is also possible to stand up or even walk during this easy mindfulness practice. Keeping a straight back while relaxing the body to the extent possible would be great. You may choose to put your hands alongside your body or place them on your thighs or belly, and remember to treat all my instructions as suggestions and pick the ones that make you feel safe and calm. If it feels comfortable, you can close your eyes now. You can also keep them open or slightly open, just allowing the light to come in. Of course, please do keep your eyes open if you decide to follow these instructions while walking. In any case, if you decide to keep the eyes open, it is best to keep the gaze relaxed and not focused on anything too intensely. Let your breathing be natural and calm, and if you feel your breath is a bit strained or tense, you can start by taking a couple of deep breaths and then return to breathing naturally. Let your attention move down into your body. Start by feeling your whole body and its position in space, whether you are sitting, standing, or lying down. Notice how the gravity pulls on your body, attaching it securely to the surface you are located on. Allow all the muscle groups to relax as much as possible, scanning up from the feet or legs up to the very top of your head. Relax the lower and upper legs. Relax the belly, chest and back muscles. Relax the hands, arms and shoulders. Allow the shoulders to drop down from the neck and allow all the small muscles in your neck and face to relax as much as it's possible for you at the moment. And remember that if you feel any strong, unpleasant sensations in your body, you can always shift your attention to more pleasant sensations. It's also possible you may not feel much at all. Any experience, or even lack of it, is completely normal, and it does not mean you are doing anything wrong. In case of total lack of sensations, it can be helpful to simply visualize each body part as you scan it in your mind. You can decide to use breath to be an anchor for your attention going forward. Anytime your mind gets distracted, you can then return to the sensations of your breath to bring back your attention to the present moment. If paying a close attention to your breathing is in any way upsetting or unpleasant, you can decide to find another anchor, such as the sensations in your feet, how they are touching the ground, for example. Or you can notice the sensations in your hands. Another great anchor is paying attention to the appearance and disappearance of the sounds. Let your attention briefly rest with the anchor you have chosen, and as you do, allow your body and mind relax and quiet down. You can return here to your anchor anytime you feel any discomfort or simply get lost in thoughts. Now allow your attention to become as receptive as possible. Let it simply notice whatever is happening inside or outside of you. Are you noticing any sounds, smells, or sights? Perhaps you're feeling some sensations in your body. Perhaps some emotions. Try not to focus on anything too intensely, but simply note it and continue noticing whatever is happening next. Sometimes it may be helpful to note quietly in your mind what you are noticing. If you decide to do this quiet noting, let it be very simple, without judging or analyzing. When noticing the thoughts, you can simply note planning, or remembering, or worrying, or when noticing sounds, for example, passing cars, people talking, children laughing. If this noting method becomes distractive or is not helpful, simply drop it and just experience what is happening in the present moment. Allow yourself to fully relax while these various sensations come and go. Try experimenting with it for a short while in silence now. Remember that anytime you get distracted, you can always return to your anchor, a breath or other sensation you have picked earlier. Once you return to the present moment, you can reopen your awareness to everything that is happening inside and outside of you in this moment. Staying in the present moment without judgment and allowing your attention to wander freely from sensation to sensation. In a moment we will finish this meditation, so you can take few deeper breaths or move the fingers and toes to encourage the blood flow and prepare for the return to the surroundings. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, look around and maybe stretch a bit. Thank you for taking this time to practice mindfulness. You can always return to this meditation anytime you need to take a short break from your busy mind.